channel. My name is Simon Onyango, coming live from Mombasa, Kenya, a city in Kenya, in Africa, East Africa, Africa, and planet Earth. So in this video we are going to talk about affiliate marketing, how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Let me just show you the good view of this place. This is Mombasa, Kenya. Yeah, Mombasa for you. It's basically a method of making money where it's a method of sales where you don't own the product, you don't necessarily own the product, but you can sell it. So when you sell and someone buys it, then you get a commission. You get commission for selling that product. So you get some percentage for selling that product. That is affiliate marketing. A lot of people misuse the word affiliate marketing with pyramid schemes like Mega Earn or something of the sort. And Smart. Those are not affiliate marketing. Those are MLM or pyramid schemes. But in this case, we are talking of affiliate marketing where if I give you this pen to go and sell, and then I'll give you 2% of what you sell. So if you sell it at 100 bob, you get 2 bob. Okay, that is affiliate marketing, and that is what we are going to talk about here. So basically, this is what you need to get started with affiliate marketing. You need to first of all find a niche where you are niche, whatever. Find it where you are comfortable with something you can talk about comfortably, you can tell people about, you can help people with something you are so comfortable with. If you are a doctor, maybe your niche might be medicine. If you are a computer scientist or an engineer like me, your niche might be tech. If you are a chef, your niche might be cooking or stuff like that. So find something you can talk about and help people, and then look for product in that niche that you can sell, and then register with websites. Now you find websites like ClickBank or ShareSale or JVZoo or Impact Radius. You'll find a lot of products there. Find that product, or you can even do digital products like books. Sell those products, and when people buy those products with your link, you make money. So that is how it works generally. Another thing you need to do is, after you have decided on your niche, now you need to build an audience. Have some people who can believe in you, If you want to sell something to people, you want to make sure that they believe in you. They follow you, like they will understand what you're saying. Build some audience. At least you don't just tell people buy this and they are not people who you don't know. What work. So find an audience. You can do it on YouTube. You can find Facebook groups, Facebook pages. Go and help people there. Participate. If maybe you are in blogging niche and you want to help people blog, go to blogging groups. Comment on their posts every single day. Do something every day. Go to Quora, talk about something. Talk about it. If it's diet, nutrition, and healthy living, go where people are talking about it. Talk to them about it. Create your own groups. Create your own Facebook page, and then like that, at least some people will start trusting you. Follow your page. They want to see more about you. Then you recommend to them these products. Okay. And then the next thing is you want to be helpful to people. You don't want just to be pushing these products to people without them seeing the need of using this product. So what you should do, talk to them why they need this product, why specifically this product is very important to them, what it will do to them, what value will they get, and then after that, tell them to buy it. Okay. Maybe talk about, if you are into nutrition, talk about why you need vitamin C, why is it important to you, vitamin B, why is it important to your body, how you get it, and all that stuff, and then you can sell your supplement. Okay, that is how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. So give them value, ensure that your leaders or your audience gets some value from what you are going to sell what we are talking about. And then after you build your audience in the right niche that you can talk about, you are already giving value to them, you now sell. After selling, then that is it. You make your money. Maybe depending on the program you enroll in, you may be paid instantly or weekly or monthly. So you will be withdrawing your money when it's ready. Now, there are different methods that people use to sell. Maybe some people create blogs, like me, I have a blog page. Some normally go for Facebook. In fact, you don't need a website to do affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to create a platform. Maybe it can be Facebook, create a Facebook page, or even your profile. Talk of starting severally. If you're talking about cars, talk about it every day. Why this car? This is new. Like, just give them content, and then you start selling. Okay. And then you can use YouTube, like I'm using YouTube also. You get your audience. Then, by the way, at the link, the description of this video, I'm leaving a link to where you can buy a host and a domain name for your blog if you want to start blogging, or if you want to start doing affiliate marketing with blogging. Buy the domain name with the link that I'll leave in the description. You get a very big discount for the whole year. You will also get good support, everything. I like them. So if you want to buy something, go and click on that link. You can also do maybe Twitter, all those things. Okay. So that's basically it. So just to show that I'm not saying something that I've not tried, I'm logging in right inside my one of my affiliate programs. This is Impact Radius. I started it this year. I've been selling things, maybe books, but this particular one, I just use it for Namecheap. That is the host that I use to host my blogs. So you can see if I sign in, this year alone I've made some. I've not promoted this thing that much, but I've made some money with it. So it's something that works. Can really work well if you put more effort. And for that matter, I'm going to start doing YouTube full time. I'm thinking of that. You can see I'm preparing. I just got a new camera stand, getting into doing YouTube full time. So consider subscribing. Let's make money together. Let's grow together. Yeah. So this is.
So let me just quickly show you inside my Impact Radius account. So this is where you get all the products you sell. This is where you get the briefs. It's like a dashboard where you see how you are performing, whether you are selling, making sales or not. Okay. So if you sell something, you see it appears here. This is my balance as at now. This is for the whole year. This is for sales that I made the whole year. This one are yet to be approved. So this year I made like 5,000 Kenya shillings, which is not bad because I was not promoting this thing much, but I've seen the potential and now I want to do YouTube full time as well as blogging, so I probably will make more money with it. So let me just show you this, and then with Impact Radius you have a lot of things you can do. You can choose different brands, the brands whatever you want. If you are into health or what, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, yeah, so you can see I made 7 sales for the whole year. That is 7 sales, and then payout is 5,424, and then sales amount you can see it's worth 17,000 whatever is sold. So you can see these ones are for, maybe these ones are themes, but I can also sell products with Namecheap. I have 2 things I sell, maybe themes and Namecheap. Namecheap gives hosting and domain name. This other one gives themes and templates and all that stuff. So those are what I sell generally, and you've seen my balance. I get paid when I reach 9,000 because I set it that high because I want to receive something, at least some good amount, not just every 1,000 I get, I get paid, which is, I want something, it's better when it's accumulated. So you can see, you can go to brands. Once you sign up with the Impact Radius, you can go to brands and find the brand you want to promote. Okay, so let me just load it. You can see, you can choose which brands you want to promote, maybe in which niche. We have a marketplace, we have baby kids, we have entertainment, we have app downloads, we have pets. If you are into pets, if you write about pets, you get something you can talk about. If you are into pharmacy, health, beauty, home and garden, dating and romance, everything you can think of, you can find products related to them. So that's
Mistake
basically
you
it.
should never do
And
is maybe having several needs. Today you are on travel, tomorrow you are on work, tomorrow you are talking about pets, you are in entertainment. You won't have an audience, okay? So to get that audience, you need to be specific in one niche, okay? Yeah. So probably this video should not be long. As usual, I'll stop there. And if you have any question, let's talk about it below in the description, or you can give me a call. You can WhatsApp me and we talk. So as I said, I want to do YouTube full time. Consider subscribing so that you support me, I support you, and we grow together. Okay. So let's see you in my next video. And if you're still here, subscribe.